In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Freshsales to Gmail in just a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Freshsales website. Log in using your account credentials and wait for the dashboard to load. Once you're inside, move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, open Personal Settings or choose Connect Email depending on what you see. Now select Gmail as your email provider. Freshsales will redirect you to the Google sign-in page. Sign in with your Gmail account, complete any verification if required, and review the permission screen carefully. Click Allow so Freshsales can access and sync your emails properly. After that, choose your email sync preference. You can enable two-way sync if you want emails to sync between both platforms, or one-way sync if you prefer limited movement. Select the option that fits your workflow best and confirm the setup. That's it. Your Freshsales account is now connected to Gmail, allowing you to send, receive, and track emails directly inside your CRM for better productivity and smoother communication. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.